सो हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम लोग सॉल्व करने वाले डी फार्मेसी एग्जिट एग्जाम एंड आरआरबी फार्मासिस्ट के एमसीक्यूज जो कि होने वाले फार्मेसी लॉ एंड एथिक्स सब्जेक्ट के। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पावर ऑफ अ ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर इंक्लूड्स ए इंस्पेक्ट एनी प्रेमिस वेर ड्रग कंपाउंडेड एंड डिस्पेंस्ड, बी इंक्वायर अबाउट द पर्सन इंगेज इन कंपाउंड एंड डिस्पेंसिंग, सी इन्वेस्टिगेट एनी कंप्लेंट मेड इन रिटर्न इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ एनी कंट्रोवर्शियल ऑफ द एक्ट, डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव। Correct answer is option D, all of the above. The main objective of Pharmacy Act 1948 is to A. Control advertisement of the drug, B. Regulate the profession of pharmacy, C. Prevent the infliction unnecessary pain or suffering on animals, D. Regulate the sale of narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. Correct answer is option B. Regulate the profession of pharmacy. The main objective of Pharmacy Act 1948 is A. To regulate import, manufacture and distribution of drugs, B. To regulate the profession and practice of pharmacy, C. To raise the status of the profession of pharmacy, D. Both B and C. Correct answer is option D. Both B and C. For the first time in India, the chemist shop was opened by Mr. Bhatgate in year A. 1810, B. 1811, C. 1812, D. 1814. Correct answer is option B. 1811. The objective of a Poison Act 1919 is regulate and control of a poison. A. Import, B. Possession, C. Sale, D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Excise duty is already paid in A. Restricted, B. Bonded lab, C. Non-restricted, D. Non-bonded lab. Correct answer is option D. Non-bonded lab. As per Supreme Court, the Drug and Cosmetic Act has statute of A. Social, B. Moral, D. C. Economical, D. Life-saving. Correct answer is option D. Life-saving. The Opium Act was passed in A. 1878, B. 1857, C. 1945, D. 1930. Correct answer is option B. 1857. Give the objective of a drug and price control order in 1995. A. To achieve adequate production, B. To secure or regulate the equitable distribution, C. To make the drugs available for the fair prices, D. All of the above. Correct answer is option C. To make the drugs available at fair prices. The first schedule to the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 prescribes A. Standard for cosmetic, B. Standard for medical devices, C. Authoritative books of Ayurvedic, Siddha, Unani and Tibbet system, D. Standard of the drug to be complied with the imported drugs. Correct answer is option C, authoritative books of Ayurvedic, Siddha, Unani and Tibbet system. Which of the following is a drug as per the law? A. Empty gelatin capsules, bandage and insect repellent creams. B. Energy drinks and candy bars. C. Mouth freshening spearmint and chewing gums. D. Fish and chicken. Correct answer is option A, empty gelatin capsules, bandages and insect repellent creams. Minimum area of the shop to obtain wholesale license sell stocks drugs shall be A 5 square meter, B 10 square meter, C 15 square meter, D 20 square meter. Correct answer is option C, 15 square meters. Who among the following is the chairman of Drug Technical Advice Board? A. The Drug Control of India. B. The President of Pharmacy Council of India. C. The President of Medical Council of India. D. The Director General of Health Services. Correct answer is option D, the Director General of Health Services. Who has the power to fix the ceiling price of the schedule formulation? A. State government, B. Central government, C. Lok Sabha or D. Rajya Sabha. Correct answer is option B, Central government. A non-bonded manufacturer shall be inspected by the officer at least A. Once every month, B. Once every 2 months, C. Once every 6 months, D. Once every year. Correct answer is option D, once every year. सो आज का वीडियो यहीं पर खत्म होता है गाइज। बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स की प्लेलिस्ट हमारे चैनल पर चेक करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा और वीडियो पसंद है तो लाइक कर देना, चैनल पर तो डू सब्सक्राइब। तब तक के लिए पीस आउट।